guys, today I have a Nadine West. This bag is a little bit different than usual. I'm not quite sure if this is a new bag or not, or just sometimes you randomly get a different kind of bag. I don't know, but here it is. It's a Nadine West. If you're not familiar with the service, they are an affordable styling service, a little bit more affordable than most of the other services, but what you save with money, you make up for, you lose quality. I don't know. It's not as quality as the other services, but also not as expensive. They send you anywhere from 2 to 18 pieces, 14, 15. I don't know. I tend to get a whole lot of pieces. I used to start out with like 4, and now, as you will see, I get bundles upon bundles of stuff. I usually send a couple jewelry, and then the rest is clothes. There is no styling fee, but there is a $9.78 shipping fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. Starting today, your awesome outfits come in packaging made from 100% recycled material, and it's made in the USA. Cool. So I think that's awesome. I appreciate them doing that. And I'm going to go ahead and dive right in. They do give you a week to figure out what you're going to keep and then ship back what you're not going to keep, although sometimes I have to email and ask them to extend that date. And let's go ahead and dive right in. So first of all, we have this gray. Oh, it's a dress. For some reason, I haven't been getting dresses in quite some time. Popular 21. It's this ribbed dress here, and it's got this button detail in front. I really, really like this. I wish it wasn't gray. I would have liked this. I mean, it's a heathered color, but I would have liked this in a different color, probably. And I also have some concerns about it being bodycon, but we'll see. I do see it. It's got some good shape here in the waist, so it might not be too bad. So really, really hopeful that that piece works because I really like it. That's very cute. Then it looks like we've got some leggings, so just some regular black exercise leggings. It's got pockets and so on. Most likely I won't keep these because I do get the Ellie subscription. If you're not familiar with that, here's a link to one of my Ellie videos, and I get tons of workout gear, so I really don't need it from my Nadine West, but thanks but no thanks. And I'm excited about this. Okay, this looks like a dress pant. It is a dress pant, so it's got elastic waist with this tie. And usually, you know, I'm not big on lots of colors and stuff, but I'm sorry, but I kind of like these colors. I don't hate this. Is that bad that I don't hate this? I don't hate it. And I feel like there's several different color tops that I could tie with this and it would look cute. I mean, basically it's got tons of colors to choose from. I don't hate this at all. So we'll see once I get it on. It's probably a mile long for me, and I'm not gonna want to get it altered, but we'll see. Okay, my next bundle here, we've got this white shirt. Look how it's quite wide for me. So it's probably going to be kind of like an oversized. This is by Time and Honey, and I showed it to you backwards, so my apologies. I thought this design was on the back, but it's actually on the front. So it's got this cool webbing here. We'll see how that, you know, I'm not quite sure how that would hold up in a washer. It seems like you can kind of drag them around to reshape it, so that could either be good or bad. I don't know. And it's got these little cap sleeves to it. I don't know. I don't hate it. Again, it looks a little bit more boxy than my taste, but I can always use simple white tops like this, so I'm optimistic on that. This has got to be a dress, I imagine. A spaghetti strap dress, a big ol' kind of a shift dress. It does have pockets, but I tend to feel like a sack of potatoes in this type of dress. So most likely I'm not going to be a huge fan. This is by Zanana Premium, and it's baby blue. I'm not a big baby blue type person either, but we'll try it on. You never know what you're going to fall in love with. Then we have by Time and Honey again. Somebody help me with the word before. I keep calling it the doily sleeves, but I can't remember. I'll look it up before the try-in to see what it was I was supposed to call these, but I keep calling these doilies. But it's got doily sleeves, again, baby blue. kind of boxy, but it's okay. It's okay. Then we have this kind of charcoal gray something. This is by Popular 21. It is a peplum top, but again, not really my kind of peplum top. You know, I feel like peplum tops should be a thing, but the kind that really cinch in the waist and then kind of go from there. So it gives you like really great shape. And I don't know why that's not more of a thing. And then why they make the peplum tops like this. That probably just add to your waistline instead of subtracting. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, then we have, well, this is unique, by Bazzolo. This is like a panty short. So this is not a workout material. This is like a dressy material, and it is a short. Okay, well, I mean, I know that wearing like bike shorts is a thing in style, but usually it's kind of like a casual style with big oversized t-shirt. I don't really know what to make of that. That's different. Okay, then we have something striped. Okay, again, everything just looks really wide to me today. We've got this striped shirt with a big open back. So this is the front, and based off where the tag is, which is right here, this is the back. So big open back, which I am not an open back person. My skin is not pretty back there. Okay, last, oh, almost last. Okay, this is pretty. This is very 4th of July. Very 4th of July, and it's a paisley. This looks good quality too. I'm impressed. All right, this is by DNA Couture, and it is this paisley 4th of July dress, red, white, and blue. So I'm impressed to get this type of dress in this bag, just because this is nice. It does have lining to it. So okay, excited to try that on. Last, it looks like we have just a necklace. I don't remember the last time I didn't get earrings to go with it. So there's a teardrop pendant there. So I like it. It's okay. I doubt it would be one that I reach for a whole lot. But okay, I have some pieces here that I'm actually really excited to try on. There are times, you know, I say this every time, but Nadine's very hit and miss. And there's times where it's like, I don't know if I want anything from here. And then there's times where it's like, okay, I have some pieces I'm genuinely excited to try on. And this time I do. I have some pieces genuinely excited to try on. So let's get to it. So this is a big fat, no. Short, tight, no. I was so hopeful for this, but yeah, it's extremely short and extremely tight, and I think this is so cool, and I love the style of it. I just need bigger, but this type is meant to be a clingy material, so I'm not going to bother to see if I can size up in it, and so it's just a no, but that's too bad. Okay, 4th of July dress. I am all festive here in red, white, and blue. Sorry, tuck it in the hanger straps. So I like this. I'm not in love with it though. And I think it's just this extra, just really blousy material. I don't know. I just kind of wish maybe there was less of it. Also the waistline, I guess it hits me where it's supposed to. I don't know. I'm not quite sure why I don't love it. I just don't know that I love it. I do love the halter style neckline. I think that is cute. So, I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on this guy. Here's a better look at it. Let me know what you guys think. I value your opinions. Let's keep going. Okay, I'm actually back again. I did go check myself in the mirror, and it was this. This right here, this is not great. I don't like this. It's too big, but I wouldn't want to go any tighter because it's already kind of a little snug in the waistline. So, it's a no. That's too bad. I could have used a 4th of July dress. Yeah, I mean, this is, if I wanted a nightgown, maybe I would consider this, but it's just a big ol' thing, and it's just like, I almost view it as like a swimsuit cover up because it barely even covers the bra on the sides, and it just, that's a big fat no. I'm not surprised because I could tell when it came out it was gonna be a big old thing, but yeah, not really my thing. Guys, am I crazy for not hating these pants? Am I crazy? I mean, they're decent length. I wish they were maybe a hair shorter, just because they're not, you know, big wide leg that I would concern myself with wearing heels. I could actually see myself wearing, I mean, these would be nice with heels, but I could see myself also wanting to wear flat. So maybe a hair shorter, I'm not even complaining. And the pockets are there, and I like them. I like the tie on it, and it's not too tight anywhere. That you can probably see where I tucked in my shirt, but that's fine. I'm sorry, but I like them. Tell me if I'm crazy, please. And then the top, it's not too bad. So I've got it tucked in right now, and I'll pull it out in a second, but I wanted you guys to see it with the tucked in look. I don't really mind what's happening here in the sleeves. I'm not a huge, you know, fan of this type of cap sleeve, but it's something different, and I can always use kind of a different type top, and I feel like it does well with this type of look. So let me go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so there's the shirt on its own, you know, a nice decent length. I think it's a little bit longer in the back. I could see myself mostly just tucking these, but I don't know, I don't hate it. Let's show you guys the front detail on that. I do have some concerns about that holding up in the wash, but I don't know. Love to hear your guys' opinions again. Okay, so here's kind of the doily sleeve top. Again, I clearly have not looked up the name of this yet, sorry. I don't really like it. It just does not do anything for me. I just feel like it makes me weirdly wider than I am, and I'm just, it's okay. So here it is untucked. There it is. It is pretty wide. So, I don't know. Not really my thing. All right, next outfit. Okay, so, yes, I'm aware this outfit is weird and not my thing. The shorts, they're tight, they're stretchy, they're like legging shorts, but they're dressy material, kind of that crepe dressy material. It's weird. I don't particularly like it. So, the top, it's, you know, from the front, it's just like big oversized stretch, and then from the back, yeah, this is not, it's not my thing. So, and am I supposed to wear this off the shoulder? So maybe I was supposed to wear this off the shoulder, because I'm trying to figure out what to do with this neckline here, and it's just kind of weird. I don't know. I think we can all agree this is not my thing. Let's go to the last outfit. Okay, so this top, I don't dislike the way I thought I was going to. I do like the neckline, kind of the mock neckline, and this is actually more of a baby doll type top than a peplum. I had that whole speech on peplum, and it turns out it's like a baby doll. Still don't think it's the world's most flattering, but it is something unique and cute, and I could see myself wearing them with some of my colored jeans, and this is kind of a unique look. I don't hate it. I don't know. I might keep it if it's decently priced. We'll see. So, okay, that was a surprise. The leggings, they're leggings. They're great length, and they're leggings. The only thing is, I just wish they had more compression up here. I feel like I'd be hefting them up a bit, but there you go. They are leggings. All right, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, so starting at the top now. First of all, a couple of things. I am part of the VIP program. I do get 50% of all these prices. When I say I'm keeping something, it is because I am keeping it at a 50% price. So I do like to preface that because it does influence my decision of what to keep. Also, some people have said they're in a VIP program and they don't get the 50% off. I don't know what the deal is. I've been in it for a couple of years, so maybe they've changed the program, but just FYI, just full disclosure of everything. Okay, here we go. So we've got the Shannon top. That was the kind of baby tall charcoal top, and it is $28.49. Now, I'm giving you guys full price, not the VIP. I don't think it's worth almost 30 bucks, not at all. This is more of like a $10 shirt. Now, for me, it would be $14.25. So I'm actually thinking about keeping that. So we're gonna put that in the maybe pile. this striped top. This is called the Domain Top, $24.49. Now, I did notice later on that I just didn't try this thing on correctly. So it says wear me 2 ways, and they have a couple different ways. I don't know what I did, but it wasn't that. So I didn't do it right, but honestly, I don't like my tops to be complicated, so still not gonna keep that. Then we have the Seidel top, $24.49. I didn't like the sleeve on it, not gonna keep that. The Rosamond top, and this is $24.49. I gotta put this in the maybe pile too, because I could always use some unique neutral tops to wear with some fancier bottoms and colorful bottoms. So then we have the mesh arrow leggings, $39.99. So these are actually $40. To me, they were not $40 leggings. I mean, they're good leggings. They got the mesh, they got the pockets. I just felt like the compression at the top was a little bit lacking. So I am not going to keep those. Then we have the pink stripe pants, $22.99. So I'd only pay 11 bucks for these. Yeah, I'm gonna keep them. I think it's weird that I love them, but I do. I love them. Then we have the Melanie shorts. These are $20.49. These were not my thing, so not gonna keep that. Then we have the Arlena dress, $35.99, which is not bad. I mean, I thought it was a great quality dress, just not a perfect fit for me. The Mathon dress, this is that gray. Love the style, too short, too tight, not gonna keep, $35.99. And then the Sweet Summer dress is actually $23.99, which is actually a great price, but I was just a sack of potatoes in that, so not gonna keep that. And then I did put on the necklace that they call the Swarovski Infinite Grace in white opal, and it is $29.99. It's fine, I'm just not overly excited about it, so I'm not going to keep that. I do have a little bit of credit thanks to Orlinda. Thank you, Orlinda, for using my referral link. If you guys use the link below, you'll have free shipping on your first bag plus $10 off. So that is a great deal. And then I think I get $10 when you use that link. So thank you for that. And I think all 3 of these probably will be keeper because it only adds up to maybe 40 bucks for the 3 pieces. And then I do have a $10 credit. So it'll probably be about 30 bucks for all 3 of these, so not too shabby. So that's why I continue to get Nadine West. I know it's hit or miss, but I do find some great affordable pieces here and there. So it's one that I hate to give up, especially with my great discount. It just seems like I can't give up that discount. I just can't. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then I'd greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.